Here is where Camino Primitivo really starts. The birds, the mountain, the horses, and behind those mountains is where we will be in the following days. And behind those mountains, there is Santiago.
Already?
Well.
It's the first day we're there already, eh?
Don't think about the destination, Erika. Don't think about the destination.
Think about the journey, right? Think about the journey. And as the philosopher said, every journey of 1,000 steps starts with my first coffee.
Good morning.
It probably would be rude not to introduce ourselves, so let's start from the beginning. Ricky, Erica, 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 and Ricky, and Erica, and Alfonso. But who's Alfonso? Alfonso was the one who started all this Camino. But let me put you in the context. You have to imagine that Spain that you know today wasn't like that before. Whatever you could see around belonged to Al-Andalus. And they weren't good friends with Christians. So one of those days, in the middle of Galician field, a hermit called Pelayo saw strangely moving stars pointing out into one direction. So he ran to that place, digged in wherever the stars were showing, and he discovered something peculiar. He went to the bishop of the town, and the bishop didn't know what to do because what they found was something huge. So he said, I'm gonna go to someone who knows. And that's how he went to Alfonso II. And Alfonso II went down to see what's going on. And this was the first pilgrimage known as Camino Primitivo, the first Camino de Santiago, starting from the magnificent city of Oviedo. So that's the journey. And now we're following this journey to see how special is this first Camino and what adventures will we find along this 320 kilometers.
What time is it?
7:50. It's impossible for us to wake up earlier.
Monday morning blues. I open my eyes and I'm greeted by a cute little smile. The world is new with you by my side. Everything is beautiful. Tuesday afternoon, I'm calling you home.
As they say, the Camino changes people. We decided to draw ourselves just before the start to see how much will we change.
You are everything under the sky so blue. I found my peace.
So as in the beginning it was a bit distraction because you were passing through cities and it was kind of hard to find the shells and arrows. But once you focused, once your goal is clear, no cars, no traffic, and then no honking things around can stop you from following your dreams, following the primitive way. Okay, maybe a coffee or two. But that's a different cup of tea.
I've got it all, nothing's amiss. Everything is beautiful. Sunday morning snooze with breakfast in bed, and I listen to the song in my head. It sings of you and the things that you do. 'Cause you're
Planning to walk Camino Primitivo? Check out the 10 highlights of that Camino in the description below. Click the link and get it delivered straight to your inbox.
found my piece of heaven. Spending my days with you. You are my piece of heaven.
This is the city center,
Mm.
and we are here.
Uh-huh.
To Grado, well, we have done 100 meters. So the option for today is either this one,
Uh-huh.
Albergue de Peregrino del Escamplero, which is only 11 kilometers, right?
Yeah, maybe 13.
13. Or Grado, 10 kilometers more. Let's see, it's 9:36. We are going really slow. We only walked 100 meters and we already stopped to have a break.
Under the sky so blue, I found my piece of heaven, spending my days with you. You are my piece of heaven. You are my piece of heaven. Yeah, you are my piece of heaven.
That's a good news. 296 left. And this is the first day. It doesn't really seem like a big day to walk, to be honest. We just stopped in the bar having a coffee. I don't know if all the first days, like, or you're excited and you walk because of the excitement, or you simply tired. Oh, difficult day today. Difficult. Buen camino.
Vez que eu te vi, menina, meu coração pulou pra boca. Da primeira vez que eu te vi, menina, meu coração pulou pra boca. Corpo assim não se vê nem na revista, nem no TikTok ou no Instagram de artista. Corpo de mestiça, de tanta coisa boa. Te quero dar beijo na garoa. Da primeira vez que eu te vi, menina, meu coração pulou pra boca. Da primeira vez que eu te vi, menina, meu coração pulou pra boca. Corpão assim não se vê nem na revista, nem no TikTok ou no Instagram de artista. Corpo de mestiça,
Noisy, eh? The weather is super hot.
Boca a boca. Corpão assim não se vê nem na revista,
Tremonho!
nem no TikTok, no Instagram de artista. Corpo de mestiça, de tanta coisa boa. Te quero dar beijo na garoa. Te quero dar beijo na garoa. Te quero dar beijo na garoa.
Yeah, my name's Ian Ross. I'm from Birmingham, Alabama. And this is my second sort of trail adventure. While I was back in the United States in Alabama, I did the Appalachian Trail. And that was way back in 2018, though, so it's been a while.
How many kilometers did you walk back then?
What-
miles.
yeah,
Miles.
2,200 miles
Okay.
in 4 months. I don't know what the kilometer conversion is.
So here, this is your first Camino.
Yeah, first time in Spain.
Why did you choose Camino Primitivo?
Yeah, I'd say for 2 reasons. One, the time window. It was short enough, starting from Oviedo to Santiago de Compostela was short enough period that I could fit it in with my schedule and what I'm doing. And then I like the sort of rural aspect a little bit more because the Appalachian Trail, that's what I was used to. It was very in the wilderness, and I wanted something a little more similar to that, like this.
How is your first day so far?
Amazing. I met you all too. Beautiful.
Happy days, happy days.
Happy days. Buen camino.
Buen camino.
Buen camino, amigo.
La racha. La racha.
Peñaflor!
Ah,
We are 1 kilometer away from there.
I think thanks to Ian we could make this, huh?
Absolutely.
Otherwise you would be just somewhere in the middle of nowhere.
It helps a lot. That's true. When you have someone you are talking and you don't realize time passing by.
You got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your fears bottled up inside, heading for collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die.
Che bonito qua. Pensi?
It's a village vibe. No? It's a village vibe.
Yes.
Look how nice.
Which?
So for tomorrow, I would say that it's still not raining, so we could walk more. We could do 28 kilometers because the day that it's raining a lot, if they are gonna come, we are not gonna walk a lot.
That's true.
So I would say that if the body allows, if the mind allows, I would walk a lot. Like today that we pushed ourselves even when we didn't feel like it, but afterwards we just did it.
Gracias. ¿Cuántos le queda agua?
Sí, si quiere traer otra sin alcohol, sí.
Muy bien, vamos para allá.
Muchas gracias.
Boom! Papas fritas.
I have chicken, salad.
What was this?
No, I was still first.
That was
in
like
scratching.
chicken, and then this it was like.
No, salad with onion, tomato, lettuce,
Let's see the onion.
boiled eggs, chicken, ensaladilla rusa, and green beans, green peas.
Because peace is important. Let's have some food.
I don't see it yet.
Me neither, but
Piano, 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 piano.
okay. Maybe that's not the way.
Okay.
Thank you for subscribing.